Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule C for DoorDash. This form is crucial for independent contractors, like DoorDash drivers, to report their business income and expenses to the Internal Revenue Service. It helps determine your net profit or loss from your delivery activities. We will go through each essential section, ensuring you understand the process clearly. This guide will help you confidently prepare your tax documents, making tax season much smoother for you. Next, let's talk about reporting your DoorDash income. You'll typically receive a Form 1099 NEC from DoorDash, which details your earnings. Take the total non-employee compensation from this form and enter it on Schedule C, specifically in Part 1, Line 1, labeled Gross Receipts or Sales. Remember to include all income you received, even if it wasn't on a 1099 NEC. Accurate reporting ensures you meet your tax obligations correctly. Now, let's explore the many deductible expenses that can significantly reduce your taxable income. Common deductions for DoorDash drivers include vehicle mileage, gas, oil changes, and other maintenance costs. You can also deduct a portion of your cell phone bill, the cost of insulated delivery bags, and any tolls paid for deliveries. It is absolutely essential to keep detailed records, such as mileage logs and receipts, for all your business expenses. This practice will save you money and simplify your tax preparation. Finally, let's discuss calculating your net profit and what comes next. Your net profit is simply your total DoorDash income minus all your allowable business expenses. This crucial figure then flows to Schedule SE, where your self-employment tax is calculated. This tax covers your contributions to Social Security and Medicare. If you find this process overwhelming or have unique circumstances, consider consulting a qualified tax professional. They can provide personalized advice and ensure everything is filed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.